Hi, I'm Chris Guld with Geeks on Tour, also known as Geeks Who Teach. When you're going to a new place, do you look at the reviews on Google Maps to decide whether or not it's going to be a good place for you to go? Whether you do or not, a lot of people do. And it behooves us, therefore, to leave reviews for our favorite places. I'm going to show you how, step by step, on a computer and then on phones, both iPhone and Android. So here I am at Google Maps on a computer, and let's say I want to leave a review for Veterans Park. You just click on it. That opens up its info panel on the left here. You can click on Reviews and then write a review. Now, you do have to have a Google account because these will all be collected in your account, and you must be signed in to your Google account. So if you're not, which I wasn't, it prompts you. Once you're signed in, you're able to leave a review, and here it tells you that these will be public. Yeah, that's the whole point. So 5 stars, unless you have a reason, you should give people 5 stars. And I want to say, so this is a really nice little neighborhood park where you can walk your dog by the lake shore. Be aware there is no bathroom here. If you do have some specific information that you think would be helpful to others, this is the great place to put it. And you click post. Now, if you do have photos, those are good too. You can add photo and post, and it is done. And that's it. Anybody who clicks on the name of that park now will see my review right up at the top. If you want to see any past reviews you've written on the computer, it's this 3-line menu in the upper left and then Your Contributions. You can see all the reviews you've posted, all the photos you've posted, and all the corrections of information, which are called edits. If you want to contribute some new things, you click on contribute, and then it recommends the places that it knows you've been recently, and you can give them reviews. Now on to the phones. This is the Google Maps app on an Android phone. I'll show you iPhone in a minute, and it's the same idea as the computer, just some buttons might be in slightly different places. So let's say I want to write a review for this Exxon gas station. You tap on Exxon, and then as you keep scrolling down, you will eventually get to a place where you're prompted to rate and review. You don't have to write a review. You can just tap the 5 stars. You can then say anything you want and add photos, but you don't have to. And as you keep scrolling up, you can just post. To get back out to the map, you can just tap that button in the upper left. If you want to see all of your contributions on the phone, it's in the menu down at the bottom where it says contribute. And it tells me that I have 150 contributions. If I want to see them, you tap view your profile. And if you scroll up here, you will see any photos that you've posted, any reviews that you have given. Then, in order to get back to the map, it's back from your profile and then the Explore button at the bottom, as opposed to Contribute, that gets you back to the map. And lastly, on an iPhone, first of all, you need to be sure that you are using Google Maps, not the Apple Maps that came with the iPhone. That's the icon for Google Maps. And pretty much it's the same thing. If I want to, let's say I want to leave a review for this Commercial Point Cafe, just tap on it and scroll down until you see the stars. Tap the stars, and then you can write something if you want. You could add a photo, and to get back to the map, back, and scroll down. Just tap on the screen and then explore. So next time you're enjoying your stay somewhere, write them a review.